In this video, you'll learn how to stake SOL in the Phantom wallets. By following these steps, you will be able to earn rewards on your SOL holdings effectively. To begin, open your Phantom Wallet application. Ensure you are logged into your wallet and that you have sufficient SOL available for staking. If you do not have SOL in your wallet, you will need to acquire some before you can proceed. Once you are in the main interface of the Phantom Wallet, locate and click the button labeled Start Earning. This option is typically found on the home screen of the wallet. After you click this button, you will be directed to the staking interface where you can manage your staking preferences. In the staking interface, you will see a prompt asking you to enter the amount of SOL you wish to stake. Carefully input the desired amount. Keep in mind the staking involves locking up your funds for a period of time, so consider how much you're comfortable staking without needing immediate access to it. After entering the amount, click the next button to proceed. At this point, the wallet will process your request and display a summary of your staking details. Review this information to ensure that everything is correct, including the amount you wish to stake and any associated fees. Once you've confirmed that the details are accurate, click the Confirm button. The wallet will then initiate the staking process. Depending on network conditions, this may take a few moments. You should see a confirmation message once the staking transaction is successfully processed. That's it. You have now successfully staked your SOL in the Phantom Wallet. Remember to monitor your staking rewards and ensure you are aware of any terms related to unstaking your assets when you need to access your funds again.